Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The 2026 Jayco Swift camping van isn't just built for travel, it's built for freedom. Freedom to wake up wherever the road ends, freedom to chase sunsets without checking hotel reservations, and freedom to turn any destination into home. From the very first glance, the Swift makes one thing clear. This van is designed for people who want more than just transportation. It's a purpose-built adventure machine that blends mobility, comfort, and independence into one perfectly balanced package. On the outside, the Swift strikes a confident balance between rugged capability and clean, modern design. Its smooth aerodynamic lines aren't just for looks. They help reduce wind noise and improve efficiency on long highway drives. The raised roof and extended body create an unmistakable camping-ready profile, promising serious interior space without feeling bulky or overbuilt. Large side windows stretch along the body, pulling in natural light and giving you panoramic views of the world outside. Wide-opening sliding and rear doors make loading bikes, gear, or supplies effortless, while optional upgrades like roof racks, solar panels, and all-terrain tires quietly hint that this van is ready to go far beyond paved roads. Move deeper inside, and this is where the Swift truly comes alive. The central living area is flexible, open, and designed to adapt to your lifestyle. During the day, it's a comfortable space for meals, work, or relaxing with a view. At night, it transforms effortlessly into a cozy sleeping area with seating that converts smoothly into a proper bed. High-quality cushions and available memory foam mattresses ensure real comfort, not just camping comfort, but the kind of rest that leaves you refreshed for the next day's adventure. Large windows with built-in shades let you enjoy sunrise views in the morning and complete privacy at night. The kitchenette proves that small doesn't have to mean limited. Thoughtfully laid out and surprisingly capable, it includes a sink with onboard water storage, a reliable cooktop, and a refrigerator that keeps food fresh even when you're off-grid. Cabinets and drawers are intelligently placed to store cookware, utensils, and pantry items without clutter. Fold-out countertop extensions give you extra prep space when needed, then disappear neatly when you're done. LED task lighting makes evening cooking easy and inviting, turning simple meals into part of the experience rather than a chore. Storage is one of the Swift's hidden superpowers. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, and cleverly concealed cubbies make it easy to organize clothing, tech gear, and outdoor equipment. Some setups include slide-out rear storage trays, allowing you to access bikes or camping gear without crawling inside. Small details that make a huge difference when you're living on the road. Comfort doesn't stop at seating and sleeping. The 2026 Jayco Swift camping van is designed for year-round travel, with insulation, ventilation, and heating systems that help maintain a comfortable interior in both hot summers and cold nights. Solar panels and auxiliary battery systems provide reliable off-grid power for lights, fans, pumps, and devices, allowing you to stay independent for days at a time. Soft, warm LED lighting throughout the cabin creates a relaxed atmosphere once the sun goes down, making the van feel more like a cozy retreat than a vehicle. Step inside and the 2026 Jayco Swift camping van immediately feels like a smartly designed living space, not just a converted van. Everything has a purpose and nothing feels wasted. The front cabin welcomes you with supportive, long-distance ready seats and a clean, intuitive dashboard that keeps controls right where you need them. Many configurations allow the front seats to swivel, instantly transforming the driving area into part of the living space once you're parked. Digital displays provide navigation, vehicle information, and entertainment, while wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple charging ports keep you connected wherever the journey takes you. Behind the wheel, the Swift is confidence-inspiring and easy to live with. Driver assistance features like backup cameras, parking sensors, and stability control make maneuvering stress-free, even in tight campsites or urban streets. The elevated driving position offers excellent visibility, while the refined suspension smooths out long highway miles and rougher roads alike. In the end, the 2026 Jayco Swift camping van isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about transforming the journey itself. It's a van designed for people who value experiences over schedules, freedom over limitations, and comfort without compromise. Whether you're escaping for the weekend, working remotely from breathtaking locations, or living full-time on the road, the Swift delivers a home that moves with you.